tu no te niña ye do hete ba khala pattern no awe ma ywa ta betama no do later no sa yam no boite de mala sukomo patu pata wala la awe kadone wa mukho ba mu kala no su mukho ba mu no awani yigte tenyon de ki ba no boite de mala sopitru ta mu do apply bo te pha no saya ko te pha do pa khi te pha awati pohe ka sakre kine dile no my brother and sister okay do you want to go to the kingdom heaven is not easy for you okay that's not easy for you because you had to be leave all things behind by you that means you should be think about carefully okay I want to tell you about something today in the Bible talking a little bit. Okay, the rich man he go to the Jesus. He asked something. Okay, he asked something here. The rich ruler go to the. He asked him. Now I want to make patu no. Awe kevra pakupanaga do no awe levra su no leti kwara no good teacher no good teacher ne kevra la no tara la akiraga no what must I do to heritage eternal life no heritage ditro yigdo ne ba mukho ba mu no heritage not inherit eternal life. This is you do nema munko of a moon name. No, but then my you do nema tamu to you, eh? Jigabama Manila. What must I do? No, Jigabama Manila. Why do you call me good? Now I want to meet a Kasai Jesus answer. Now Kasai Sushi why do you call me good? No, Mamma Quella Akirigale, Erotibano. No one is good, no, but taking no except God alone. Not tell you are God, no, tell you are God, no, irritated, no. You know the commandment, no, nothing ya tamalo, no, tamalo. You know the commandment, nothing ya tamalo, no. Because we know the commandment, okay, not stealing, not killing, not murdering, okay. Not false testimony no let than a quota and a pathinya tamalo tirpalo pakrapatu pathala pay ni putewala no do not commit adultery no pathinya la padaba ever down no by ever do not murder no do not steal do not give no false testimony no testimony talita lorama no daba ma kamarama tatirpan no honor your father and mother no nama your paken more na pa honor your father and mother sidanama your paken more pa okay we want to get a heritage eternal life but it's not easy for you for me too not easy I guarantee not easy for me too no because easy one no look for no that easy one all this I have no keep sin I was a point he said no because mana atera la ye no chikali because no la ye puta quality ne ye ma thwe we tatit fight kello awene yo pakemo pa no the leader ba the lord ba no the eboira ba tamakamara ba no awene over sick while Jesus had this, he said to him, "No, Pakasai should not win or what deba without no Porgan, no Patupato Porgan, no." No, he said, "No, what deba." He said, "What deba." No, one Jesus, no, you stay lack one thing. No, not only 10 million. No, you stay last one thing. Hi, brother. No, hi. No, you stay had one thing, no, last one thing. Sell everything you have and give to the poor, no. Sell everything you had give to the poor no pagdana sakwe tapota likela kasilo na hilo kilo popo yapo oni no give to the poor no and you will have treasure in heaven no letano kana ko uro taludo pudo mukulo no you will have treasure in heaven no letano kutara then come follow me we run a poiki no we run a poiki then follow me no when he heard this, no, he became very sad. No, and now Huta when it all aware became very sad because he is worthy, right? Because he is worthy. No, he was a man of the grace wealthy. No, grace worthy. This okay. Jesus looked at him and said, "No, because I should go no, pretend mala sivera, no, sivera, no." How hard it is for the rich and enter the kingdom of God. Indeed, it's an illusion for a common go to throw eye of the needle than for a rich man to enter the kingdom of God. Now, because a rich man, no rich man, because lenwasu, no lenwasu. No lenwasu mukuba muni nyoka kilo no let us go up across sukumota targeted pilo no those who heard this asked who then can be saved no party kwala me didn't know what gala putan mala akapu player gala Jesus replied what is possible with man is possible we can't no awatera la awani lopa kanyone atanyawa me la pagdera mala meme la jwane tiwe sikolo litan krapa krapati patalo Jesus replied what is no Peter said to him we have left all we have to follow you no we have left all we have to follow you no I tell you the truth Jesus said to them no one who have less home or wives or brother or parents or children for the sake of the kingdom of God will feel to resist many times as much his age and in the age no to come into the life. Let us know that rapakropatu patala no. Pala asukwe no pala apoksa kreki apatekwe ama adopuwe apo no bagitera mala atapota likela kasene mutni la awaka doni makiwane patitinya la awe no patitinya la awade nebaki ane de alori no ane de alori little girl pama chata matir panamitala no you follow Jesus is a very thing because you has more time no more you will get more time because you lose your one mother but you get more mother because a lot of people love you okay this means it's a great thing to you you have to think about carefully okay you have to think about carefully follow Jesus is not bad okay not bad because you follow Jesus you will get eternal life whatever you has you should be thrown away from you okay you know that you are rich but one day you will die okay where you go you don't know no mo tene ne tilo basa na kene ne kele pele ne tinya long kisata ba leta na kodaro no no let us go to the Pakropatu Patala Patamo no Pakropatu Patala Patamo Papo Kasakre Kini the Miller Nyokakiba no let us grab Pakropo Papo Sacre Kine Pagado never tamu to you the Pakado never tapitama pa you know let us go to more Kasayua Kaleda to no Pagita Patu Patorga Sikone aware Pagita Mar Hisue Ataputa Kiva no pagdana he master ki wete ke ba kapata ludo pulo lum khosi kone ke ba no the rich rulers no he don't want us to throw away his property and the selling given to poor this mean it's not possible for him because he is the man okay he is a grace worthy man that's why this property is come from him this mean okay you don't want to sell everything that is possible for you. I want to tell you about that. Remember, when you want to follow Jesus, it's not easy. You want to go to the kingdom or heaven, not easy. Okay, for me too, not easy. Okay, I has a lot of problems. Okay, I had to work, come back home, and then patient. Go to church is not easy. So many things we had to be rotate every day, you know. But what matter with our money community, don't talk at the nyolo pogo, you know. But mara to me, tanyo to me, you know, to me, patu patala patamu, pakele dile, pakama dile, pako dile, no pokrasumo patu patana, no, pakamu do mana posayola, patamu punilo, more kasayo suki, you have guitar, so you no. May God bless you always and your family and your children, every person watching my channels. Okay, God bless you all. Bye bye.